Why do cats put their butt in your face? Butt-in-the-face behavior might seem odd to us humans, but much like headbutting and rubbing against you, your cat is communicating with you through this behavior. 1. Your cat is being polite. Have you ever wondered if your cat says, hello, to other cats? A friendly hello wouldn't be complete without a good sniff of the bum. In a cat's world, presentation of the hindquarters is considered proper etiquette.
Did you know cats need a healthy amount of water? That's why I need the Uahpet plugged in and no wires. It's to ensure my cat enjoy the cleanest. Get your nap too late.